wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bunion treatments. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Ozeen toe sleeves come in a pack of 4 and are made of a flexible silicone material. They offer a soothing, practical solution to the pain caused by hallux deformities, crossed toes, and more by helping to stimulate blood flow and reduce stiffness. Comes with 2 large and 2 small caps and is great for calloused feet. However, it's not as corrective as some treatments. At number 9, the comfywomfy corrector provides joint pain relief and a gentle, comfortable correction of your big toes alignment, making it a viable alternative to surgery if you're willing to wear it regularly. The set includes one for each of your feet. It's adjustable for the perfect fit and can be worn day or night, but the materials aren't the highest quality. Coming in at number 8 on our list, Dr. Frederick's original splints offer superlative relief and fit for everyday and even nighttime use, with an easily adjustable toe stabilizer bar and an ergonomic wrap design that's comfortable enough to wear while you sleep. The fabric is soft and breathable and machine washable for easy cleaning. However, the Velcro wears out over time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bunion treatments, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the versatile lifelux pain relief pack provides all-day comfort whether you're walking, running, or working out, with 4 different pairs of spreaders, straighteners, pads, and sleeves that mold to your skin for protection against shock and pressure. The nighttime splint stretches your tendons, and it's good value for an 8-piece set, but the plastic components are brittle. Moving up our list to number 6. Give your toes some quick relief from pain using the premium envelop guard, designed to serve as both a cushion and a separator, and to fit comfortably into most shoes. This pleasantly low-priced option comes as a 2-pack, one for each foot. They provide nearly instant relief and reduce pressure and friction. However, they fit best in wide-toed shoes. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you're unsure of which of the many available home remedies to try, consider the inexpensive esarora kit, which includes 5 treatment options. It comes with 4 different pairs of separators and a stretching strap, so you can find what works best for you. It helps with stride correction and is backed by a lifetime guarantee, which is good because some of the components feel flimsy. At number 4, avoid surgery by using the Dr. JK Relief and Cushion Kit, which includes 5 different pairs of medical-grade pads and separators that protect and assuage pain while straightening your crooked phalanges. The range of tools helps ensure complete relief. It's made of medical-grade gel with a sleeve that supports the ball of the foot. It's easy to clean with soap and water. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Invented by Joseph Pilates, founder of the eponymous fitness system, the alayna toe straightener helps cure maladies caused by weak hip extensors. It improves the alignment of all parts of the foot and leg, from the big toe up to the pelvis. It helps to prevent recurrences and encourages proper posture. It strengthens muscles as it heals. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bunion treatments, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Zentoes Pack of 4 is a set of corrector separators that can be used on either foot to push your big toe back towards alignment. Their easy-to-use design slips onto your second toe to provide relief. With socks and shoes on, you can barely detect them. They're available in your choice of beige or white, and the material is latex-free. It works on other toes as well. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Roocke brace is engineered to offer both hallux valgus correction and a reduction of its associated pain in the process. Its flexible construction allows for a full range of motion, and it's comfortable enough to walk on or sleep in. It adjusts to fit on either foot, and the fabric is soft and cushioning. It comes in a resealable pouch. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bunion treatments, or simply click beneath this video.